Unboxing. Go, open.
Yes. What is this? Ay. Earphone. What is this? What is this?
Relo?
I don't know what is this.
Pakita mo.
Ultra 3. Ano to?
Relo nga.
Relo ba to?
Oo.
Tapos, what is this? My dear friend.
Cellphone?
Oh my God! My telephone. No, I cannot open. How can I open this? You have... Ay. Huwag mong idangkal, uy! Alam mo namang, tingnan mo agad yung mukha ko. Grabe ka naman mag-take ng video sa akin. Wow! Tawang-tawa siya, oh! Diyos ko! Why are you laughing? It's funny? Ah? 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 I cannot open with my hand. That's why I'm using my teeth and my mouth and my tongue. Huwag mong isin yan kay Ria. Pagtatawanan na naman ako doon. Wow. See? How can I open this? Wow. Wow. Thank you, my dear friend. Ano ba ito open? Madam. Ang nipis niya, oh. Meron kaya tong ano?
Ay!